Jimmy on the track, so you know it's lit.
Fly, bubble boy. Fly, bubble boy.
There you go. Hello everyone. Say hi, Dylan. Hi, Daddy. So just having some tea.
I'm opening my new iPad.
Hello everyone and welcome back again to our channel. And today I'm with
Dylan.
the rat bag. And we're gonna do the unboxing of his new iPad. Woohoo! So we're not gonna unbox one but two. Ooh.
Let's see.
It's all for me though.
What?
I'm just kidding. Okay, so this is the latest iPad, 7th generation. Yep, and the color is Spice Gray. So we purchased it just a while ago at JB Hi-Fi. And now we're just gonna unbox it for you. Oh, thanks, Daddy. Thanks, Daddy. It's just gonna give me a knife so we can. Hang on, I'll just adjust.
Mom, we need a sharp
I'm
knife.
just gonna adjust the camera so you can see it while I'm doing this.
We're gonna need sharp knife, do we?
Because this is fine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So this is their latest, guys. This is the 2019 because wala pa silang bago for 2020. Yan. Gonna move that.
What's inside?
So that, yeah, that's it. That's it. That's just the back details of it. And you ready? Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay.
I'm ready for my big muscle.
Let's do this. Ay, ba't ayaw?
Oh. Maybe you have to.
Yeah, it's holding.
Coming.
Ta-da! Ooh, look at that. So it's 10.2. So 10.2. Hang on. 10.2 yung kanyang screen. Yan.
It's my iPad.
So that's the first thing that you'll see when you open the box. And hang on. Someone wants to say hi as well.
Hi.
That's my first son.
This is my
And
second
Dylan.
son. Nikki. I'm the second. I'm the first.
I said first son.
Yeah, but Nikki.
I did not say daughter.
No, I mean.
Okay, so
Nikki is the first one.
So, mas thinner siya, guys. Yan.
You're not
So,
allowed.
yan.
Is it the charger?
And so, that's the back of it.
It's the back.
So, both siyang yan.
That's a new one.
Yan. And then, what's inside is that one. So, of course, yung charger cord natin. And then,
Get to open that.
the Apple stickers and cards. And then, that's a charger.
There's the charger to charge it.
Yep. So, we need that charger.
Oh, it's look like the same to charge your phone.
Yep. And then, so that's just all the stickers, the Apple card.
Wait, that's
and,
not stickers. Is it?
the Apple stickers is there.
Oh, it's right there, dear.
Apple stickers is there. So,
What?
so this one is only Wi-Fi. It's not. Is it?
Yeah, Apple stickers.
Yeah. Is it? It's only Wi-Fi, right?
Yeah.
So with this one, you can get an Apple Pencil, guys. But siya. So Apple sticker. Ayan, meron siyang sleep and wake mode. Meron siyang Apple Pencil. So, pero hindi kami nakabili ng Apple Pencil, guys, kasi naubusan kanina.
You boys are so lucky.
But,
What's that?
Hey, Daddy,
How
this
many of your friends would have brand new ones like this?
Yeah.
lucky.
Okay. So
Second
there you
one.
go. So we're finished with the first one.
I'll open it.
And we'll just, is there something else there, babe? Oh, that's it. That's probably it, no?
Yep, that's it.
Yep. So we're just gonna put back everything now, and let me. Can you pass that for me? So the first one is for Dylan.
Yes, and he can open the red.
Yep. And we also purchased, guys. It's very advisable for, especially if the kids are gonna use it. Can you get me a
We have one of those.
scissors, please?
Yeah.
So this is about 35 bucks, love, no? 35 bucks.
Mom, we have those.
Yen. So it's really good for them. So when they drop it accidentally, it's not gonna be scratch, or worse, it gets broken. So ayan, it's very soft. Okay.
We didn't get screen protection.
Can I feel?
Yeah,
We might just get some checked ones.
you need to wipe it. We can hear Cooper in the background, guys.
Okay, bye.
Hang on. So, we're just gonna.
Mom, can we put a sticker at the back?
Hang on, I need to. I can see it.
You can put your stickers on the back of this thing
Yep.
if you want.
Can I feel
No,
the
hey,
iPad?
don't touch it.
Oh, sorry. Can you? Oh, you can put a sticker. You want it.
Ooh. Oh my god, it's a really nice color. Okay, the iPad is out.
Wow.
Wow, look at the outside of
What is
it,
the
guys.
password, huh?
So I don't
You
know
don't know
what
what the
that thing
password.
in that one.
Forgot.
Oh no.
Yeah, so that's the outside of it. So that's how thin it is.
So you're the
Again.
only one who knows.
So
I don't know what
there you
You
go.
can think up any numbers you want.
I want 0, 2, 4,
So the
6,
camera.
9.
Hey, just put
Only 4 numbers.
put your birth date.
Oh wait, you can put his fingerprint.
Ah, yeah.
Oh, this might, is it retina?
Baby, how do you like that now?
Oh, it'll be something like that.
Can you help me? Thank you.
I can't believe it. It's my iPad. Going,
Okay, thanks, Daddy.
You're the best.
Okay, so
Give me 5, buddy.
You're the best, Daddy.
it's
81%.
You're the best, Daddy.
It's 81%, Ma.
Okay, so that's on. So it's in there now. So he puts his sticker at the back and one at the front. At the front.
What's the Chinese? Oh.
Hello. Let Daddy fix it for you. Because I'm just gonna do the other one.
$9.
So now I'm unboxing the second one. I'm just gonna unbox the second one. So this is
What do you need?
Nigel's. Hello.
How are you gonna do?
Boys, be very careful with the screen, okay? Because there's no protector yet.
Stop pressing the buttons, okay?
Just relax, buddy. You will hold it later. That is just gonna.
This looks like the down of my hands. Let me do. There, cut it. It's the same one. Now look. It's the same one than mine. Emma, I want to leave this on.
No. So it's just gonna make it hot.
Do you know what the password to the network is? X was the numbers 7.
Give me the ano, Nigel.
Ma, can I have my own passport?
H,
And Nigel got the black color because he likes Batman. Don't cover my camera. You could stay at the back, but don't cover. So he's got the black holder.
Then X. You forgot X.
just don't touch it.
Right.
Cool. Nigel.
Guwapa kaayo ang ilang iPhone.
Just wait.
Daddy's
Gosh.
Ah.
Activate.
Gosh, you're stressing Daddy.
No, it's the same one like mine, isn't it?
Yeah, it's the same. And so where are you gonna put the Apple Pen though, if you're gonna get one? Well, I thought it's something that you just stick in.
It does have to be.
I don't know what's that button there.
It looks like a little magnetic thing, you know? Still, it's not working. The
What's not working?
the network.
Huh? What?
Try this
Huh,
one.
it's the same one. No, I'm gonna have a different password. Huh, you can't. It's gonna be Batman.
No.
Huh?
All your passwords should be your birthdays, okay? So we don't
March the 20th.
yeah, 0320. Dylan is 0108. So it's not gonna be hard when we
What? 0108.
Switch
So
between
cool.
come here. So what's your reaction?
Quickly
I'm
access
gonna break it
control.
so it doesn't break.
Yeah.
Okay.
And show here, come here first. Show your iPad.
Thank
Show
you
your
very
iPad at
much.
the back. Yay! All set up. What do you want to say?
Thanks, Daddy, for buying this new iPad.
Yoo-hoo! Happy kiddo.
Happy.
How about you?
What's this?
Are you all set up?
Wait, what do I have to say again?
What do you say?
Thanks, Daddy, for the iPad.
How's the battery? Yeah, it still says 80%. Don't press it yet.
9
Yeah, that one's 80.
Maybe you can't go to the App Store though, because you don't have an Apple
Yeah.
ID though.
Daddy, the time
So
is.
they can't
the
download
timer is
games.
So that's all for today's video. See you again, everyone. And please don't forget to click the red button and tap the notification bell as well, so you're
And click the
notified
bell.
when I uploaded new videos. Have a good day.